let's study another program which copy two string to the third string. This program is necessary to understand the copying process in detail. Okay, now let us start the execution of this program. Press F7 key to start the execution. Now see here I have declared three character arrays. The first character array is namely first. The dimension of this character array is 15. I have initialized this character array by the first name, that is Raju. It's my first name. After that I have declared second character array, namely surname. Again dimension of this array is 15 and I have initialized this array by the my surname, that is Dharaskar. And after that I have declared a third array, namely full name. The dimension of this array is 50. After that I have declared two variables I and j. I'll use this variable as a counter in the for loop. Clear? Now observe the process very carefully. Please observe the watch window where we can watch the contents of the array first, surname and full name, as well as values of the counter, variables I and j. Okay, now execute the clear screen and now see the working of first for loop. Now in the first for loop I will copy the string Raju to the array full name. Okay, so here I is equal to 0 and we'll copy till the /0. What is /0? It is a string termination mark. Now in the first array there are 5 characters RAGIV, and after that there is a string termination mark /0. So total there are 6 characters, out of which we want to copy the name Rajiv to the full name, and we don't want to copy the /0. That is why the condition is first in the bracket I not equal to, this sign is not equal to /0, character /0. Is it clear? Now you observe the process. I am executing the program in a step-by-step manner. Observe the array full name. Now you see, after initialization, the array first contains the first name, that is Raju, and array surname contains the surname Dharaskar. Now you observe the full name array. Press F7. Now right now I is equal to 0 and we are copying the first character of the string Raju, that is capital R. Now you see, R is copied to the array full name. Now press F7 key again. A is copied, after that J is copied, then I, then V. Now for loop is terminated because after the character V in the first name Raju there is a /0, which is string termination character, and hence for loop is terminated. Is it clear? Now you see, observe the second process. What we are doing is that we are inserting a space, character space, after the word Rajiv. Okay, now execute this step by pressing F7 key and observe the full name in the watch window, array full name in the watch window. Press F7. What happens is that one space is inserted over here and after that there is a garbage. Okay, now see the second for loop. Here we'll copy the content of the array surname to the array full name till the /0, because we know that the array surname contains a string Dharaskar, and we know that after Dharaskar there is a string termination character /0. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 characters plus 1 character, that is /0. So we'll copy Dharaskar only and not the /0 character. Okay, now you observe the index of the array full name. Here we have written I plus j plus 1. Right now j is 0 and we want to insert the string Dharaskar after the Raju plus space. So right now I is equal to 5. So there are 5 characters we have copied plus 1 space, that's why we have taken 1 over here, and now start z is equal to 0. Clear? Now execute this one and observe very carefully the array full name in the watch window. Press F7 and now execute this assignment. What happened? D is copied over here. After that, press again F7 key, H is copied, then A is copied over here, then after that R is copied, again A is copied. You continue like that. Now you see, again for loop is terminated because we have copied 9 characters in the string Dharaskar and last one is /0. That's why, because of this condition, surname in the bracket J not equal to /0, the for loop is terminated. Is it clear? Understood the process? Now what do we want? Last, we want to copy /0 at the end of the array full name. Clear? And that is why I am inserting /0 over here. Execute this step. What happened? Now full name contains the string Raju, then space and the string Dharaskar, and at end /0. Is it clear? Now execute the printf library function and see the output at DOS prompt. Raju Dharaskar is displayed over here. So using for loop, we have copied string first and string surname to the array first and array surname to the array full name. So we have copied string Raju and string Dharaskar to the full name array full name. Is it clear? Understood the process? Now in next session we will see the very easy method using standard library function. Okay, thank you.